Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, I got this little Gumball machine at the dollar store. I thought it was interesting because since I got the big Gumball machine, I'm kind of obsessed with this little thing. So, I found this at the dollar store. I thought it would be cool. It's all sealed up. It has nutrition facts and everything. It's plastic, I know that for a fact. And I'm going to open it right in front of you to see how this works. So let's see. They had different colors, but I want to get the traditional, which is red. So I thought that was cool. And this is how it looks without the wrapping. Then, let's see. Here's like a little thing in the back, I guess. I don't know what is that for. But you have an open lid here, so it's supposed to go this way. If I can make it work. Uh-oh. I think this is gonna be hard for me. Let's see. Whoa. I think it's supposed to go this way. Because the gumballs are inside, but it has a wrapping. See the wrapping? So I can make it work if I don't open it. Whew, this is gonna be hard. I was not expecting this at all. I thought it would be easier, but I guess not. Wow. Okay. How in the world you open this? I have no clue. It looks like a money bank, but I don't think that is there for that purpose. Okay. There we go. Now we're talking. Ha! I knew it. I just needed a pair of the things and it worked. Alright, this is the inside of the little machine. All plastic, as you can see. But I don't know what's the purpose of the lid. I guess you have to, you see, it looks like a money bank. They'll put money in it and then take the gum out, but it doesn't make sense. So yeah, you can use it as a money bank if you like. It will be a nice place to hide money, right? Alright, let's close it back because I have no sense whatsoever to have it like that. So now the trick is how to open the top part. There we go. Let's take our gumballs out. That's going to be a hard task as well. Okay. I think the easier way to do this is to open the bag because they're not going to come through. And there is a gum. They made it very complicated. Okay, gumballs all the way. Not a good idea. Okay, let's do this. That's gonna be easier. Instead of Okay, this video is crazy. Alright. There. One more. And the bag is out. Alright, so the mechanism, as you can see if you can see that. See? If you turn this around, yeah, it should fall. See that? It turns around so your gumballs will go directly to where they need. So we put the gumballs back in it. And let's see. Okay. Put them back in. And then we can work on it. And there's all the gumballs that it brings. And then you can refill it, I guess. If you find more gumballs. So it's the small gumball to fit in. So now let's see how it works. So if we put a coin in the back, say this is a fake coin, see? It's fake. But we're gonna use it as a demo. Put your money in there, turn it around, and then you get a gumball. There it is. Isn't that cute? Alright. Gumball. Kinda early for a gumball. But there you go, guys. That's the mini gumball machine out of the dollar store. And if you like gumball machines like I do, this is a must-have. So if you like what you see, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.